Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Azure Data Studio on your Mac. Then I will demonstrate how to connect to a database step by step. Before we start, make sure you have an MS SQL database available either on your local computer or a remote server. Let's get started. First, search for Azure Data Studio on Google. Open the Microsoft Learn platform to download it. Select the appropriate version for your Mac's configuration, then click to download it. Your Mac will automatically unzip the content, making the application ready to use in your Downloads folder. Keep in mind, this is not a shortcut, it is the application itself. Although macOS typically places new applications in the Applications folder, Azure Data Studio, like Visual Studio Code, is an exception. Move the application to the Applications folder on your Mac, as that is the proper location for your apps. Now let's open the application. You can do this by typing its name in Spotlight or clicking the app icon in the Launchpad. This is the welcome page of Azure Data Studio. Click New and then New Connection. The connection panel will appear on the right-hand side. Fill in the connection details. If you encounter a connection error, like I did, it might be because you forgot to trust the certificate in the connection panel. You may see databases that are not yours in the list here. These are the databases hosted on the server. Just locate yours. If you don't select your database here, you will continue to see other databases on the server in the panel alongside yours. Click Connect. That's it. You have successfully connected to your database. If you want to connect to another database, you don't need to return to the welcome page each time. Click the icon on the top left corner. Here, you'll find a list of other databases on the same server if you forget to select your database on the connection panel. You can search for yours using the search bar. You can disconnect from a database using the disconnect option here. To connect to any database, click the first icon in the row. This will reopen the connection panel just like before. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.